Welcome to Nuke It, the microwave cooking show for campers. And by campers, I mean people with an RV with a microwave. On this episode, we'll be making couscous and spam. The ingredients you need are couscous, spam, a bowl. Optional equipment are a knife, measuring cup, and this is optional, parsley. And by parsley, I mean cilantro. Step one, struggle to open the container. The ratio for cooking couscous is 1:1. 1 part couscous, 1 part water. Step 2, open the spam. Struggle to open the container. Struggle. You see all of my struggles. Open the spam. You want to cut. And if you don't have $1 million knife, like I do, you can also use a spoon. It works just as well. It works just okay. Take your spam. Add it to the couscous. Give it a little bit of fluff. Microwave gently, 6 minutes. Meanwhile, while that's in the microwave, this is optional. We're gonna chop up some cilantro for our garnish. Chop, 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 chop. Completely optional. You don't have to chop this up. That you don't have to eat any vegetables if you don't want to. There, just a rough chop, nothing fancy. This is microwave cooking, not 5-star Michelin chef. Okay, we're at about the 4.5 minute mark. We're just gonna take a peek in here. It looks pretty good. I'm just gonna fluff it with the fork a little bit. We're just gonna finish it off for the full 6 minutes. Be careful, it's hot. Couscous, fluff it up with our fork. Fluff it up with the fork. And this is optional. Sprinkle a little bit of cilantro on top. You don't need any salt, don't need any pepper. The spam is pre-seasoned. There you have it. Delicious couscous and spam. Ooh, that's delicious. That's beautiful. Thank you for watching this episode of Nuke It. I hope you enjoyed it. Please try this episode at home. Tell us how it worked out. It was delicious. Please post in the comment. It was disgusting. Please post. If you chopped off a finger, please post a response video. Thank you and enjoy. So this is a great recipe if you're a mobile person. You can make this ahead of time, put it in a water bottle, eat it while you're in class, eat it while you're hiking. It stores very well and cooks super fast.